guys! Hey guys!
And welcome back to our channel!
Hey guys!
And namaste everyone!
Welcome back to our channel!
The Samskari Siblings Kitchen!
Today is cooking with the sipon. Sorry, cooking with the sipon.
I know this has been long since we made a cooking video, but today we feel like eating something different from normal.
So we are making white sauce cheesy creamy pasta for lunch and baby. लगे रहो ऋषि भाई.
नाम किसी का नाम किसी का ये दुनिया
अरे रे 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 क्या ही बात कर रहे हैं तू, क्या ही बात कर रहे हैं मतलब.
हिंदी बात करता
अरे he is chopping the veggies which are cabbage, beans, carrot, capsicum. There is the macaroni. He is the chopper for the day and I am the chef.
To do white sauce pasta, as you all know, we require pasta.
This is the macaroni variation and it is pure wheat.
Yeah, so this is not what you call the big macaroni which is available. These are the small elbows or whatever it is called. So the amount of pasta you can take is based on how much you eat or how much you want to prepare. So just take the pasta in a bowl, add some water up till it is brown, and add some oil in it so that after it gets cooked, the pasta doesn't stick together. So put this on the stove in a high flame for around 5 to 10 minutes or until the pasta is cooked but not completely, just
70 to
80%
80%.
of cooked. So
And we are not adding any salt into this. You can see.
actually, yeah, because
It's
it's
just water,
and
oil.
oil and pasta, that's it.
And we're putting it on high flame. So
Yeah.
this is the pasta.
Around 5 to 10 minutes and your pasta will be cooked. This is the pasta we are using. As you can see, it's Wheatfield macaroni and it is pure
So
wheat.
this is the measuring spoon which we are using. It is a
Soup
soup
spoon.
spoon, yeah, something like that. So with this we'll be measuring anything of how many spoons it is.
Now I'm going to take you through the ingredients required to make the white sauce for the pasta. The first one is maida. We'll be using around 6 to 8 spoons of maida. The next thing required is milk, matlab not full packet. Whatever amount will be required for matching the maida. Next ingredient we are going to use is the Amul cheese block. As you can see, we have already nibbled it around here because we are mad for cheese. So this is one of the most important ingredients for getting that stringiness of the pasta. The next ingredient is the most basic in any household, utterly butterly delicious butter. This is also the very important ingredient which will be used to get the texture for this white sauce. Coming to all the basic ingredients required, first is this is a mix of carrot, capsicum, beans and cabbage, which are the veggies, salt, taginanta, ruchiki taginanta,
We are using the pink Himalayan salt.
rock, sugar to give that much bit of sweetness to the sauce. So the last one we'll be using is eggless mayo. This will give a thickness to the base or it makes the sauce a bit thicker and plush to enjoy.
So this is the first herb. It's not a herb actually, but this is what we'll be needing. This is red chili flakes. It ain't we just picked up this Domino's wala and saved them, so it came handy. Second herb, this is oregano. This is also the jugaad from Domino's, and it is so good in smell. I can die for it. This is the next herb which we're using. This is parsley from Kia brand, and it is amazing. It's a huge bottle, and its price is also good. So
We got it for a discounted price actually.
yeah, so this is the next. So this is the last herb which we're using. It's rosemary again by Kia. Again, we got it for a discount prices in, I guess we got it in Spar. So yeah, it's quite pretty, and this is what we will be using.
These are the ingredients we'll be using, not roughly. These are the only ingredients required to make the pasta sauce.
So now the pasta is cooked. You can see it is completely done. What we'll do, we'll strain this into this kind of a thing. You can do it in any chutney. We'll be doing this, and we'll wash once again with cold water. So that is what we'll be doing. Okay. So first we'll make the white sauce for the pasta. Make sure you take it in a non-stick pan. Make sure you always do it in a non-stick pan so that chipak na not happens. And put the flame in low at first because you don't want to burn the pasta.
If you do like the video,
don't forget to like,
share,
subscribe, babies.
और घंटी बजाना मत भूलो.
First step is definitely we're gonna put butter. So we are using two things. One is this wooden one because you should never use a steel one on a non-stick. The layer just goes off. And another one is this Chotu
Spatula.
silicone spatula. It can be of some use. Now I'm just spreading the butter all the way. So you can see the butter is bubbling and it is coming out. So guys, we actually missed recording the clip, don't mind. What we did is, after the butter started to bubble up and heat, we added first 2 spoons of maida and started stirring it round-wise. You need to make sure you're patient and slow and multitasking in the right way. And once it got mixed, we added another 2 spoons. So right now this, what you see is 4 spoons, 4 tablespoons or whatever the ratio we've shown you. That much amount of maida and butter. Keep mixing it. The key to make this pasta is just be patient, nothing much. And always try to make more of the sauce because appudu mikku aina problem later, but tappoyite it's a big of problem. Now I'll be adding 2 more spoons of maida to this because we are making this for 4 people. So accordingly you can add or reduce it.
How many times did you make this white sauce pasta?
Actually, it's weird. First time my mom and brother loved it. I hated it, You remember, Anna?
I know.
Yeah, and then we ate in some restaurant and from then cafe, and then from then I was like, I need to have this.
The other day we went to Gypsy and we had mac and cheese.
Yeah, we'll sometime make food reviews if you want. Do let us know in the comments.
Yeah, exactly.
Amazing.
There are some good restaurants here in Vizag. We would love to have reviews of it.
Yeah, so I guess we made it like 4 or 5 times, no? White sauce pasta. Some more than
Yeah,
that.
but the thing is, each time you do, it makes it the taste changes. Matlab, it becomes better.
Because we try to do something, add on new, something new that so that it.
Frankly speaking, this is the first time we are putting in a lot of veggies in it. We generally don't put so many veggies in it.
Because this is the lunchtime, we are preparing to be healthy.
And we are on some healthy stuff these days.
Yeah. Because you see, it's Himalayan pink salt, it's brown, wheat pasta, and only unhealthy a little bit is maida. Other than that, everything is. And cheese, like he said to me, cheese is so good. Yeah.
Cheese is good. It has only protein in it.
So now is very crucial step. Be careful. We have milk here, and idi ba mixing kabatti. Now very slowly you should be adding and mixing together. You cannot stop this. You cannot stop this. Both together. Very crucial step. Ippudu Anna నాకు help చేస్తారు because you need to continuously be stirring it and pouring the milk. So Anna milk add చేస్తే I'll be just keeping stirring and just go little by little. See, you can see. Guys, it's a lot of pressure. Bus.
You and your bus, I don't know when that bus will come.
See, we don't want to make it like a, pro chef kinds. We are like this messy and shitty, so we want to bring the original
We
style.
only care about the final result.
Yeah. It's okay. It can be like shit in the beginning, but make sure it doesn't be the shit at the end.
Because if it is shit, you need to eat it.
Yeah. Then it only matters how it looks, how it tastes. We'll just meet you after we add all the milk and maida necessary. You will understand to a point where it becomes, you can see now even it is becoming like a creamy texture. You can see this kind of this consistency, then you can stop adding milk. We'll do that and then we'll meet you. Now this is one way we can take it out. We can use a whisk, add some milk and go. Other one is that you can just grind it all off and do it.
Blend it.
This is manual, that is mechanical. Sorry, something.
A few moments later.
This is the consistency which we want, creamy. We blend it in again and this is the consistency you can see. This is how we want. And in this now we'll be adding cheese and other herbs. You can see it. Yeah, let's just get into the next step. We should not make any delay. We're gonna add some cheese grated into it. I'll be stirring and he'll be adding. Oh my god, that's yummy. This is the cheese which we have added in. Now we'll add some mayonnaise. Add good amount of mayonnaise. It just gives a creamy texture. Yeah. Be liberal. Don't be afraid to add more.
Conjuse mat bano.
Yeah. Now jaldi se we'll add some of these herbs. Red chili flakes. Because we'll not be using any more of chili. Oregano. Oh my god, it smells heavenly. Some rosemary. Rosemary, you just need a little bit of it. And finally the last herb, parsley. Now let's just make it cook for a bit, just a second. Quickly add in the veggies, finely chopped ones. Yeah. Oh my god, that's a lot. I think this will become like a lasagna or something. The veggies were a lot. Now we'll quickly add the macaroni. Pick with your hand, drop. Pick with your hand, drop. Because like that we can add.
And while adding, just pull it through with your fingers so that if any clumps up, you can just release it quick.
ఎలా ఉంది టేస్ట్ చెప్పు. అన్నీ సెట్టా?
సూపర్.
ఎలా ఉంది టేస్ట్ చెప్పు. అనలైజ్ ఎంతది? థ్యాంక్ యూ. Okay guys, so now we'll have a taste test and tell you how it is. It's so good. It's a bit spicy. The vegetables are like not totally cooked. I don't know, but it's
Chewy.
nice. Yeah, it's absolutely nice. We love it.